Okay, it's recording.
Yeah. Everybody says that.
Whatever. Okay, so hi.
Hey.
I'm Holly.
You just don't leave the camera standing there. We're making bagel bites. You can't read this because it's backwards, but.
Bagel bites. Move, I gotta put the tinfoil stuff on it. So we're making bagel bites. What is in my shoe?
It's a Lego.
It's not a Lego.
Okay. Can we make them all?
All of them? No,
Yeah.
no. Let's just make like how many do
You're
you
not
want?
even eating them.
I'm not even gonna eat any.
I want at least 10.
You want 10?
No.
Okay, good. I'm like,
You want 10? God, Izzy.
The incident's waging down.
God, herpes.
Plot twist.
Sorry.
I'm like, what? What?
Woo! I made a butt sandwich.
Okay, so wait, how many do you want?
1,
There.
2,
3.
Please learn my song. 4. How many?
5.
Can I have 7?
7. Alright, 7. And then in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there
Okay.
we go.
How long does this
Bagel
origin?
bites. Okay. Come on, show how you come.
Okay, 12 minutes, 4:25.
Oh, we didn't even turn on the thing. Wow.
Woohoo! We brownies.
We made brownies. We recorded a video of this, and then it got pretty crappy.
Yeah, it got
So
really bad.
now
And what you
Izzy's
want?
gonna go around and she's gonna turn off this video so then we can turn on time lapse and then we can, start dancing around until.
I got my red dress, it gets so high. Baby, I'm feeling alive. I got this rock and roll. I got that beat, let's hit the flow. I got this body, this love and reputation. Baby, I'm going, okay. Miss Valentine, we're going all the way.
So I'm just like holding this, so yeah, my voice is gonna be shaky. So I'm just holding this.
My voice keeps fluctuating between high and low.
So we're editing it. We're like, you know what? We need to add something. So we did. So make sure. Wait, you say it.
Give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite food is.
Okay, bye.
Bye!